Good morning, beautiful people. Ontarian Hawkins here. I am the passive income guru. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. We are up trading this morning. And as you can see, we're about 371 pips in profit. This particular trade is US CAD. Now, let me kind of give you a story of this particular trade. I got in this trade yesterday, okay? Yesterday around this same time, okay? I held this trade all the way from yesterday until now, and now we are in profit, as you can see. And let me just show you the reason. Let me just back up and say this. You definitely want to learn this skill in 2020. Okay. I cannot stress this enough. You want to get into trading in 2020. It is a must. Okay. So let me just show you why I got into this trade. Let me go to my other chart here real quick. Let's see. Here we go. All right. So check this out. All right, so I use a couple of different tools. So basically, you see those three arrows right there? That's what I saw yesterday, and it was on the 4-hour chart. Okay, it was on a 4-hour chart, and I said, you know what? This is going to go up, because what happened was this. It actually broke a major. It broke a major resistance right here. Okay, so I knew price was going to continue up because this was a resistance zone right here, and it actually broke past this. So you see now we're looking very good, because now price on a 4-hour chart has broken a major zone, which is the 50 moving average. Okay, the 50 moving average, and now this thing is going to probably ride up pretty nicely. I'm about 30% increase right now. I can't show you in the profits right now, but I'm about a 30% increase on my account right now. Okay, let's go to the daily chart. Okay, the higher the time frame, okay, that's daily. The higher the time frame, the bigger the move. So you see right here on this time frame, I actually got a nice arrow, reversal arrow. And price did exactly what I wanted it to do. Okay, it started to go up. Okay, we got a little resistance right here, but we'll see what price does here. So what I do, on my analysis, this is what I like to do. I like to start with the weekly chart. Okay, I do what's called a top-down analysis, and I look at the weekly chart first. Because that's where the overall move is. So I go to the weekly chart right here. You see, this is what I saw yesterday. This is what got me into the trade. I saw this yesterday on the weekly chart. I said, price is at a prime zone. This is a prime Fibonacci zone of 50%. And I saw this blue candle forming. So I got into the trade. Okay, this is on the weekly chart. So what I did, I went down. I did a top-down analysis. I went down to the daily chart, and I saw the arrow. I saw the reversal arrow. I said, yep, that's confirmation. And then I went down to the 4-hour, and this is where I usually enter the trade. And I saw triple arrows, and I said, yep, that's triple confirmation for me to get in the trade. And that is why you see this. That is why you see this over 300 pips in profit. Okay. So guys, you got to get in trading. Here's another trade that I'm in. I'm in an AUD USD trade as well. Look at this. This is the daily chart. This is the daily chart. Look at the arrows pointing down. Boom. Price went below. And look at this. This is beautiful. On the daily chart, the candle has crossed the moving average, 50 moving average. It is actually crossing the Fibonacci 50% zone. So price is going to continue to drop on AU. If we go to the weekly chart, look at this is what I saw. Remember, top-down analysis. Top-down analysis. Weekly chart, rejection. off of the MA. And when I saw this rejection, I said, let me go to the daily chart. Daily chart, boom. Look at that, beautiful. And then the 4 hours is where I usually enter. And look at this. It is actually breaking a major trend line here on the 4 hour chart. So we're going to see some major moves here on the AUD USD. So let's look how many pips we're in profit on AU. So on AU, we are 158 pips. 158 pips in profit. You see it is a nice little drop here. Teardrop was what I call it. And we're looking good. Okay. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Get yourself into trading. Okay. You can go to tradewithontarian.com. Tradewithontarian.com to learn more on how to join us and learn this skill. Okay. Bakari, how long have I been trading? Man, you know what? I'm just now coming back into it, really, to be honest with you. So I've been a couple of months strong back onto it now. I learned the basics years ago, but now I'm on a mission to really master this skill. So, you know, give or take 2 to 3 months back on the grind and really mastering it. Okay. So good morning, everyone. Good morning, Mary. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you want to learn this skill, well, I'm just going to say this, learn this skill. I'm not going to say if. You need to learn this skill. And we're going to show you how to multiply your money by joining us. We have a mentorship group when you join us. We're going to show you how to get mentorship from a millionaire trader. Guys, this is where you want to be. Okay, this is true passive income. So thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. God bless. Talk to you soon.